Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I've got another video for you guys. Today is a little unboxing video. Can't tell because I'm holding it in, but I'm really excited about this one. This one's going to be a game changer for my projects going forward and then on after. So hope you guys are having a great week. Hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all your projects. And without further ado, let's get to mine. So this location right here was my printer, my paper copy printer. So let's get over to this unboxing and I'll show you what I'm going to put in its place. Alright, here we go. So this is a pretty big box here. There's a Team Lift sticker down here. Oh, that's interesting. My hand is a shadow. But let's get to opening this. It is heavy, it weighs about 36 pounds. So let's got my trusty dangerous box cutter knife opener thingamajigger. Just kidding, it's an X-Acto knife. This is not exactly the best tool for this, but it'll work. I just have to be careful not to cut myself or damage the contents of this box. I've wanted one of these since the first time that they were available to the public, but they were far from my reach. The price was way too high. And now, many years later, a normal Joe like myself, or a normal Todd rather, can have one of these for himself. I love the packaging, it's really nice. I'm really excited about this. Alright, here we go. So we got the Creality CR10S 3D printer. So that's what I meant about the printer going away and being replaced by something really cool. So here we got some nozzles, many different sizes it looks like. 1 millimeter, 0.8 millimeter, 0.6 millimeter, 0.4 millimeter, and 0.2 millimeter. I want to be really careful because this is really expensive and really fragile, I'm assuming. Like that. Wow, it's heavy. Heavy usually means expensive. I don't get any more toys for like the next 20 years after this. So this must be the base. Just don't want to damage, there's a motor sitting right there. I don't want to damage that. There we go. So this is the base. So this right here is a piece of glass and it should have a heating element up under it to help bake the plastic. Looks really nice. It feels really solid. The build quality is, I mean, I'm quite impressed with it. I definitely got what I paid for. The legs are not adjustable, but I guess that's okay. I can add sheets of paper to level it out. So let's put this off to the side. Once I get this all unpacked, I'll do a time-lapse video of me building it. So we'll take out this box, see what else we have in here. Sounds like hardware. Alright, comes with this, I'm guessing this goes inside the track to add color so that it'll look nice, I guess. So it comes with some tools. We got a couple of wrenches and a whole bunch of Allen wrenches, and it looks like some wire cutters and a flathead screwdriver. Comes with some stickers. They are in Chinese on one side and English on the other. Oh, it's a warranty sticker. Comes with a USB to USB mini. It's like an old school USB. That's funny. I actually have some of these. These are really old. That's odd that it uses that style. You can see, I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll put that off to the side. Here we have, it looks like a circuit board and some clamps. I'm not sure what these are. Filament holder screws, okay. Here's an IEC power cord. Here is what looks like a roller. So I'm guessing this is probably where the filament will sit. Came with a spatula. And it looks like instructions. Oh, it's a filament test wire. Okay. Filament detection function instruction book. And then there's this really tiny thing. I don't know what this is yet. It's like a really thin wire with a coil. Some kind of USB with a card reader. So it looks like a USB with a micro SD card reader. Huh, that's interesting. Some sort of bracket. Oh, I know what the bracket is. This is for this guy to put the spool on. Okay. I'll just put this off to the side. We'll continue this unboxing. Let's see what we got here. So, some PLA 3D filament. Color is white. So this is what the roll looks like. A roll of filament. I'll be experimenting with many different kinds because this particular model can utilize many different types of filaments. So we'll put that back in. Put these back in here so I don't lose them. And now we'll continue on to the rest of the contents. Looks like more framework. The packaging in this is quite amazing. They really didn't want this to get damaged. So Creality, good job. Good job on that. You get 2 thumbs up. This looks like the power supply box. It's heavy. Looks like it has a display on the outside and a knob, but that's it. Warning, keep hands away from moving parts. Do not touch the heated bed. Okay. There's a lot of wires coming out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 wires in this coming out of this box. So we'll put this over here for now. And let's get the rest of the frame out. This is a 3-axis 3D printer. It's heavy, so it's really heavy duty. This is, I believe these are made out of aluminium. Got some zip ties. Alright, so it looks like that's the rest of it. You can see the 3 axes on here, the different motors for each one of them. X, Y, and Z axes. Alright, so let's cut away and we'll go back into my office and we'll set the tripod up in there and we'll do a time lapse of the build. It came with a roll of tape too, that's interesting. Masking tape. So I'll just have to read the instructions to find out what all this stuff does. So I'll take you guys into the workshop and we'll continue. Alright guys, welcome back. So I tried to do a video of me putting this together and my big butt was standing in front of the camera the whole darn time so you couldn't really see anything. So scratch that. So I'll just show you the product setup and functioning right now. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys are having a great week and staying warm and dry out there. And I hope you're having good luck with all your gardening and all your projects. And without further ado, let's get over here to mine. Alright, so there we go. All put together. And I've got my camera rig set up over here so I can do time lapse. Get right in there and check that sucker out. I'll show you what a finished one looks like. So this is a grow tower that I 3D printed. I got the program for free online. Anyone can go online and find those for free. And I'm going to print out about 10 of these guys and build a little tower. And then I'll do a video about that. So there she is, all set up and running. It did take 11 hours to print this out, so if you guys get one of these things, don't expect to have a part in 2 minutes, because it's not going to happen. But it's you know, this is my very first one, so it does have some flaws in it. I do need to tweak some things, but so far so good. It's straight or round, very seamless. It looks like a manufactured part. So we'll see how these go together once they're all done printing. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. I would say thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down at the bottom. Hit that like button, subscribe, click the bell next to subscribe, and you'll get a notification each time I upload another video if you're interested in following along. So thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, keep building, and also stay creative, because you never know, something cool might happen.